Anytime now. And the up, unpredictable, draws for your lead. Salin Lahi is running by the rail. Airways are the outside. Bringer Up Rain Gold B running by the rail. And trailing the group is Babes Magic as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight, Salin Lahi now takes command, running on the outside. Second, Unpredictable. Airways racing on the outside. Third, running by the rail, Port Gold B. Then next in line is Bringer Up Rain and Babes Magic, now running at the tail of the field as they move towards the back. And into the backstretch they travel. Salin Lahi in command. Then about to throw the challenge na Wari outside. Unpredictable. Airways are the outside. Third, Gold B running in fourth. Bringer Up Rain is by the rail. Peep Babes Magic still in behind them as they rounded the last 600. Unpredictable now regains the lead over Salin Lahi. Airway moving up to take second on the outside. Then racing now in fourth. Bringer Up Rain Gold B in fifth as they race at the final corner. We have Unpredictable. Airways on the outside. Bringer Up Rain, Salin Lahi with the last 200 meters more to run. Unpredictable. Airway is on the outside. We have Airway, Unpredictable by the rail. It's still Unpredictable. Airway is on the outside. Airway doing the better over Unpredictable. And finally, Airway, Unpredictable, Gold B, Bringer Up Rain, Babes Magic, and Salin Lahi comes in last.